What's going on, guys? Again, it's DeAndre at All Clean Power Wash, and man, I can't make this crap up. Look at this. Homeboy came through the entire neighborhood. Look how thick this stuff is. Crazy thick. Man, I only told him, hey, potentially 70 to 80% up is going to come up. I didn't guarantee 100%. And my man drove into the freaking garage. I mean, he came in with the groceries and came all the way inside. It's like, wow. Did a little test spot right there, cold water, turbo nozzle. They gave me some hope. It actually came up fairly easy. But hey, when the phone rings, you get a call like this, you can pretty much price it however you want it. That's the way I look at it, man. However you want it. Especially this guy, his next step was to have the whole driveway sandblasted. So, but anyway, this is, right up the line of restoration. It's pretty much what you want to charge for your time. Still a little bit of a haze right there. Again, that's just all cold water in the turbo nozzle. All the way up to this point right here, I did one treatment right here of Double Eagle and massage it in with a brush, and we're going to do a second treatment as well, and it should look pretty good. Obviously, this stuff right here hadn't even touched yet, but we're going to go ahead and get the rest of it up with the turbo nozzle. Man, I love when I get jobs like this, though. It just it freaking breaks it up from the traditional commercial residential type deal, you know what I mean? And to, every now and then somebody has a bad day, make a bad mistake, and it just feels good to go out there to be able to help them out, There we go. Let's get some Double Eagle down there. Love this stuff, man. I keep this stuff on the truck. All right, we're just gonna massage it into that concrete a little bit. Give it some dwell time. I was doing somewhere between 5 and 7 minutes or something like that. This entire job took me about, 20 minutes. Also, all these chemicals, just keep in mind that whole road out there has been resealed. So those chemicals running across like there, and make sure you rinse the crap out of that stuff, man, because it'll leave chem lines all through there. So just make sure you rinse that stuff really well. You find yourself with a different problem on your hands. Let's say all you need is a 12-volt pump up sprayer, a brush, and some F9, bro. That's it. That is it. 20-30 minutes. Look at her. She's looking real good. I love this crap, man. Never gets old. Never gets old. Some little final touch-ups right there. All right, let's start tackling this garage. The garage floor wasn't very porous, so it actually came up much easier than the driveway. But anyhow, man, here's the before. Horrible. Oh boy, it came straight. He went around the cones. It's like, did they not have it blocked off? He's like, we did, but he just went around it. But anyway, as always, I appreciate you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys for subscribing. And I appreciate you guys for dropping comments, man. I hope I can keep putting out great content for you guys, and I hope it's helpful to some of those guys out there that are watching. And I look forward to next time. Take care.